How to scan app on Play Store. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can scan apps on Google Play Store. To scan apps on Google Play Store, you can use Google Play Protect feature, which helps to ensure the safety of the applications before you download them. Here's how you can do it. First of all, open Google Play Store on your device. And here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right, you will be able to see your profile icon. Tap on the profile icon and from this list, select Manage Apps and Devices option. Once you do so, here you will be able to see this Play Protect option. If you didn't see this option, you will need to simply tap on this first option on the top, and inside it here you will be able to locate the scan button. Now simply tap on the scan button and Google Play Protect will check your installed application for any harmful behavior and alert you if any issues are found. If not, you will be able to see this screen on your interface. If harmful apps are detected, you will receive the notifications with options to uninstall them. So by following these steps, you should be able to scan apps on Google Play Store. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.